Come test drive the 2020 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch, about 600 miles on a tank full, comfy space for 5, a hushed voice, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.